Tensions between Pakistan and Afghanistan have sharply escalated after a series of cross-border airstrikes that Afghan authorities say killed dozens of civilians. The strikes reportedly took place in eastern Afghanistan, in provinces along the Pakistan border. Afghan officials claim that women and children are among the dead, calling the attack a direct violation of their country's sovereignty. Pakistan, however, has defended the operation. Islamabad says its Air Force carried out intelligence-based strikes targeting militant hideouts used by groups responsible for recent deadly attacks inside Pakistan. According to Pakistani officials, the targets included bases linked to the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan or TTP and other extremist networks believed to be operating from Afghan territory. The airstrikes come after a surge in violence within Pakistan. In recent weeks, multiple attacks have killed security personnel and civilians, including a suicide bombing that left soldiers dead near the Afghan border. Afghan officials say several sites were hit during the overnight bombardment, including a religious madrasa in Paktita province. Visuals from the area show rescuers digging through rubble while families search for missing relatives. Local sources report that more than 20 people died at the single location, contributing to the overall death toll described by Afghan authorities as dozens. Kabul has accused Pakistan of targeting civilian areas rather than militant camps and says the strikes were carried out to deflect attention from Pakistan's internal security failures. The Taliban administration has warned that such actions will worsen already fragile relations between the two neighbors. And this is not the first time cross-border strikes have heightened tensions. Relations between Pakistan and Afghanistan have remained strained since the Taliban returned to power in 2021, largely due to disagreements over militant groups and border security. Previous clashes and air raids have led to civilian casualties, border closures, and failed diplomatic efforts to stabilize the situation. The latest incident raises fears of broader escalation in the region. With both sides trading accusations and militant violence continuing, the cycle of attacks and retaliation could further destabilize the already volatile border belt. For now, Pakistan insists it will continue targeting groups it considers a threat to its national security, regardless of where they operate. Afghanistan, on the other hand, is demanding accountability and has called the strikes an unacceptable breach of its territorial integrity. For now, the situation remains tense, with no sign yet of de-escalation.